Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can use Google search on your mobile. So you may hear something new like, is using Google search is a bit difficult task, or is it needed to watch a tutorial for this? But yeah, I'll show you how you can use Google effectively on your phone. Google search, yeah, on your phone. If you don't have Google search app on your mobile, just search as Google here on Play Store. See here, this is the Google search app. So I already have this on my mobile. If you don't have, you need to click on download and just install this. Okay, so on my mobile, Google is directly present here. You can drag and drop on the home screen. This is the first thing you can do. See here, when I want to search anything on my phone, I can just tap on this and the search is ready. See here, tap. Yeah, what is the dollar price means I need to give the hint or the query. Dollar price, something like that. As soon as I enter, it will give the search results here in the form of websites and web pages here, and I click on any website and get the information. And this is one thing, and this is mostly everyone knows, but I'll tell you something very useful and important. And as I said, how you can Google search, how can use Google search, I'll just use it in another way. This is the mic symbol, see here. If you tap on this, it will just listen to your voice as the voice commands and search for the keyboard what you speak there. See, as I'm saying, it just uh, recorded my words what I have spoken here, and it just searched for me and given the search results. And one more thing I'll just show you up to now what you have don't know is, on the Google search there is a option called, see here, this one, Google Lens. With this Google Lens photo image search, you can search products online just with a click. So I'll just open this. I'll just click on a product. See here, click on a product. See here, it gave me the buying links from the Flipkart. So it is pretty interesting. For example, if you have a nice dress or a nice shoe or a nice material, something like that, where you want to buy it on online, and you can just take the picture and get the results from the Google. And see here, directly you can go there and purchase that item. So using Google search effectively will make the difference, but it will look very simple to you. But see here, yeah, I can directly buy this. So in this way, there are pretty different ways you can use this Google search app on your mobile. So yeah, discover in the sense, these are the news items what you are currently trending at your area. So this discover, you can keep it on your home screen of the this one, or you can disable this discover also. If you want about know about this more about discount discover, you can just comment in the below. I have already done some videos, I'll drop in the description. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.